This is the December glossy box. This edit is called Wishful Thinking. Oh, and stay tuned as well. I am going to be announcing the winner to the November box later on in the video. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you're new here. Today's video we have this. This is the December glossy box. This is not my PR box, this is the one I pay for, which is really unusual. Normally I get the PR box first. Never mind. So yeah, we're going to get this open and have a little look-see. If you are interested in getting this box yourself, I have a link and a code. I will pop everything down below in the information box and the comment box. If you use that code, it'll get your first box for a tenner, which is very nice indeed. This is inside the box and it's actually a tin. Oh, cool. Here it is. That is such a cute tin. On the lid there, it just says Little Wonders Inside. Oh, and before I forget, if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. But this is inside the box. We have the little card. It's a little QR code. You scan it and then it's a digital edit card with information on the products, which is great. So there is a quick sneak peek, but let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Hopefully the QR code works. Yes, it does, thank God. So on the edit card, it just has a little bit of information about the box. I'm not going to read all of that, I'm just going to take bits from it. But it just says, your wishes come true with a heartwarming December edition, filled with both carefully selected classics and trending products, with 6 glamorous additions inside the special design tin to make your beauty routine look and feel, I can't say that word, effortless. I've never been able to say it, oh my god, effortless. Oh, I can say it if I say it slowly. The first product we have in the box is this. It is by the brand Pixi, and it is their Glow Tonic, and this is a deluxe size. Obviously we've got 2 of them. I love how we've got 2. It just says this award-winning Pixi Glow Tonic will clarify your pores and remove excess impurities to gently exfoliate and cleanse your skin. Loaded with a unique formula containing glycolic acid, aloe vera and red ginseng. Use morning or night, achieve radiant, prepped and hydrated skin ready for the new year. Yeah, cool. I really love the fact how they could have just given me 1, but they haven't. They've given me 2 deluxe sizes, which is fab. And these sizes are perfect for traveling, which is awesome. So these are going to go in my little travel box. So if I ever need any little odds and sods like this, I'll have them. Which I will do next year actually, because I'm going on a cruise. So excited. But yeah, the deluxe sizes have 15 mils each. I have used this before and I love it. I've also got a couple of big sizes of these in my drawer too. So yeah, awesome. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Me Lala, and this is a lip kit, full-size products, and it has an RRP of £22. It just says this lipstick and lip liner duo will become your go-to for a beautiful lip finish. Both smooth, pigmented and long-lasting, this lipstick will ensure your lips pop, whilst the lip liner will refine your lips to give them shape they deserve. So cool. Oh, we got the shade Beach. Oh, the Beach. If that's anything to go by, I think it's going to be nice. I love the packaging of this lipstick. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Does that give you like Fenty vibes at all? The shape of the packaging in any way. And I love it's like a marble effect. And then there's the lip liner. That looks like an awesome colour. Let's do some swatches. So that is the lip liner and that shade is cute. Very cute. One thing I would have appreciated is, mainly because I'm a lazy girl, I would have appreciated a retractable one. But yeah, I'll have to get my sharpener out when I need it. But that colour is stunning. It felt really creamy on my skin there. It's quite light as well, so that is it there. Oh, I think I like that. Should I put some on? Let's try it. Why not? So that is the lip liner on. Excuse my dry chap lips there, but that shade is gorgeous and that just glided on so easily. That is what the lipstick looks like. I've just been trying to smudge it in with the liner. I don't think it goes with my colouring, but I think what will help is if I put the lip liner all over my lips and then put this on top and mix them properly together. I think that would be really, really nice. But that on its own, no. But with the right lip liner, yes. I don't know, now I'm looking at it at a distance away. It kind of looks like the perfect nude. I don't know, I'm confused. What do you think? The third item we have in the box is this. So it's by the brand Kingsley. And this is Elasticizer Boost. This has an RRP of £4.60 and this is a deluxe size, which is 20 mils. It just says tame frizz and add elasticity and smooth your hair strands with this Elasticizer Boost from Kingsley. This hydrating and versatile conditioner will nourish and restore parched hair and will overall revive your hair condition. I've just done a video on the Elasticizer hair mask by Kingsley. That video is to come live on my channel in the next week or two. But yeah, that is interesting. I'm gonna have to try this one out and see what I think. So looking on the edit card, on the next page it says, which highlighter will you get? So there's two that you could possibly get. One is by the brand Number 7, which is highlighter golden glow, or the other one is by the Beauty Crop, which is highlighter pear press. The Number 7 one is worth £13.95. The Beauty Crop one is worth £12, and the one I've got here is the Beauty Crop one, and it just says gain a hydrated and illuminated glow with the Beauty Crop's liquid highlighter. That's not liquid. Enriched with coconut oil, argan oil mixed with your foundation, moisturizer or place over your makeup for a stunning glow. I think they've got the description mixed up with something else because that it says powder on there, so yeah. But it is by the Beauty Crop. There it is there, really nice pretty packaging. That shade looks nice. I hope it's not gonna be too dark, but they did get the shade right, pear pressure. So let's just, oh, that is absolutely stunning. I don't know if that is going to be too dark for me, but we can only but try and see. That is cute. If it's too dark, it's not too dark on my eye, but that is absolutely gorgeous. Stunning, stunning colour. So the next page on the edit card also says which product will you receive. So it's between 1, 2, oh, turn the page, 3, 4, okay, it's between 4 products. Let's have a look. So the first thing you could get is by the brand Philosophy, which is a whole hyaluronic acid glow water cream, deluxe size 7 mils, worth £5. The second product you could get is again by the same brand, and it's a Hope Biome Balance Glow Serum, a deluxe size 3 mils, worth £4.50. The third product you could receive is by monuskin, and it is Rosewood Reviving Mist, which is a deluxe size 50 mils, worth £9.95. Or the fourth product you could receive is by Clinique, which is a rinse off foaming cleanser, which is a deluxe size 30 mils, worth £7. So the one I've got actually is this. It's by Monoskin, which is the Rosewood Reviving Mist. It just says a beauty bag essential for providing skin with a quick pick-me-up, infused with a combination of lemon, rosewood, sandalwood essential oils. This mist will awaken and purify your skin whilst refreshing a dull and tired complexion. That sounds really, really nice. Let's see what it's like and what it smells like. Ooh, that mist is fine. That smells really nice. That smells really, really nice. You can smell a bit of everything that they've mentioned there, and the lemon is not overpowering, which is great. Oh, that's quite a calming scent actually. That's lovely. And I'm just checking the edit card again because I have an extra product that's not on the edit card. It must be a freebie that they haven't mentioned. Bearing in mind this is not my PR box, this is the box that I pay for. And I've got December Variation 1. So it's Variation 1 box packed by Fen. Did you get a free product in yours? I'm just confused because normally they mention if you get something free, but it's by Elemis and it is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I have loads of these and I love this brand and I love this Marine Collagen Cream. Amazing. So happy to get another one. Well, anything Elemis really is awesome. Yeah. Did you get one? So I'm just checking. So yeah, we've got the Pixi, we've got the Me Lala, we've got the Kingsley, we've got the highlighter, we have the mono. So yeah, it's 5 products. And then yeah, that is the 6th one. Or was the 6 products because we've got 2 of the Pixi? Yeah. I don't know. But yeah, that Elemis one is definitely not on the edit card. Guys, so this is the December glossy box. The edit is called Wishful Moments. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a really good little box. I really do. Looking back at the products, so the monuskin, we have received a few products by that brand in different beauty boxes out there, but I've never received that one before, so it's so nice to get a new product by monuskin. Awesome. The highlighter, I don't think I've had a highlighter from the Beauty Co-op before, and that colour is absolutely stunning. Hopefully it's not too dark, but if not, I can always use it on my eyes. The Kingsley Elasticizer Booster sounds interesting. Can't wait to try that out. The lipstick kit is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I say the lipstick, is that too light on me? It's like a nudie, it's got like an orangey tint to it. As I say, I think if I put the lip liner all over my lip and that over the top, that might make it better. I don't know. But it feels really nice on the lips. It feels like I've got nothing on my lips, to be honest. The Pixi Glow Tonic, yeah, cool. Absolutely love that product. And then a weird standalone that's not on the edit card, elemis, which is awesome. But yeah, that is the box, and yeah, I'm really happy with it, And of course we've got the tin as well. That can be classed as another product. I love having tins and storing stuff, and well, maybe it's bad because I store lots of rubbish everywhere, but you know, I've got a pretty tin to store my rubbish in now. Right guys, so let's see who won the November box. Let's pop it on screen and have a little look-see. Hi guys, so sorry the comment picker isn't working. As soon as I figure out what's gone wrong, I will upload a short video to announce the winner. And yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!